welcome to our channel. So, siyempre, sa greatest na-interview rin si Pastor Ricky Sartor, which is, meron siyang laging ine-emphasize about the greatest na, ano ba yun, yung kailangang malaman ng tao. And he's been a Christian for 39 years. Ano pa talaga ang purpose ng tao? Bakit nabuhay sa mundo, Pastor?
Well, yung purpose po ng tao is really to have a relationship with God and to enjoy Him. Diba? So, tayo po ay nabuhay. Nandito po tayo dito sa mundong to dahil sa, of course, sa biyaya ng Diyos. So, we are here to really enjoy the presence of God, to serve Him, to love Him, and to show that love to other people. So, I think that's the most important kasi sabi nga ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo na dalawa lang naman to love the Lord your God with all your heart, all your mind, all your strength, and to love others as you love yourself. Yun po, yun yung talagang makikita nating purpose natin sa buhay. So sa Biblia, really to love the Lord and to show that love to other people to be showed in life. So as Christians, of course, yun po ang ating masabi na talaga natin ang purpose natin sa buhay. May enjoy lang talaga natin yung buhay kapag meron tayong personal relation sa ating Panginoon.
That's very true. So, yung ABC is about available. Yung B is about, ano ba yung B ulit?
Actually, galing po ako live po so,
Then yung C is compassionate. Bakit? Ito, lagi kong tanong sa sarili ko, which is alam ko naman rin sagot. Bakit ilan lang talaga yung nag-i-evangelize? Yung iba talaga nakaupo lang sa church. What do you think about it?
Maybe for some, hindi nila naiintindihan yung mission, kaya hindi sila nakapag-disciple or evangelize. For some, they don't take it as their mission, hindi personal sa kanila. And for some, maybe ignorant sila about, or hindi nila alam totally about the mission. So, kaya siguro